considering the Canon EOS 2000d. Let's dive into whether this entry-level DSLR truly lives up to its hype for aspiring photographers. For beginners, the 2000d shines. Its intuitive layout and guided shooting modes make learning photography less daunting. It's light, responsive enough for casual use, and the familiar DSLR feel helps you quickly grasp the basics of aperture and shutter speed. Image quality often exceeds expectations for its price point. You'll get detailed, vibrant stills in good lighting, thanks to its 24.1 MEG API-XEL APS sensor. Even in challenging conditions, it holds its own, though don't expect low-light miracles without a faster lens. Versatility is decent. While not a speed demon for fast action, it's capable for portraits, landscapes, and even some macro shots with the right lens. Video capabilities are basic at 1080p, but perfectly adequate for casual home videos or vlogging. However, remember the kit lens's limitations. The real strength lies in access to Canon's vast f and EFS lens ecosystem, opening up endless creative possibilities as you grow. It's an excellent foundation for building your photographic journey. So, is the Canon EOS 2000d a good camera? Yes, it's a very good starting point for beginners, offering solid image quality and a clear upgrade path. Just manage your expectations for specialized scenarios. Make an informed decision based on your photographic aspirations. #camera review #beginner DSLR.